I'm Ravi Kumar. I'm chairman of Zanuck. Zanuck is predominantly a software R&D organization, and it has a simple philosophy that technology can make a difference to the lives of people, and technology can magnify and accelerate the scarce resources. If you take healthcare particularly, that there are a number of scarce resources, and if you look at it, there is a finite number of healthcare professionals, there are a finite number of hospitals, and there's a finite amount of money. And so how do you use technology to magnify the effect of that for the benefit of the ultimate consumer, which is you and me? Sometimes it's the patient, sometimes it's a healthy person before somebody can become sick. So what Zanuck does is partners co-invest in co-creating what we call intellectual property value and bringing that to the market, and very rapidly and very economically and at a very, very fast pace. And if you look at a lot of challenges in healthcare, healthcare is a 7 billion problem in the world, and it requires a tremendous amount of entrepreneurship and leadership for people to solve these challenges. And so Zanuck's aim is to partner with those entrepreneurs and help them bring that value quickly to the market. You may have heard about, I think at Health 2.0 last year, there were two platforms which got launched, which is one of them is called WellView, which is wellness and a view, which is a patient engagement platform, which is actually connecting patients and the providers, i.e. the doctors, and using video. And in terms of how they communicate with each other, how they learn about the disease patterns, and how they capture the conversation, the consultation which they have between. And it's a tremendous value. That platform actually is conceived and co-created and co-designed along with the founders of WellView. And I think that's the fruits of where how Zanuck has contributed. And similarly, that we have worked with a number of organizations which are $1 billion organizations and also startups and in healthcare platform. And one of the companies we're working with right now is a company called CyberLiver. And world's one of the statistics is that the liver disease is going to be the third fastest growing disease in the world. And if you look at it now, there's alcohol available everywhere. And alcohol is one of the contributing factors for liver disease. And so we don't actually understand how liver functions and how craving works and why people are drinking and an amount of alcohol they are drinking. So again, when CyberLiver set up that business, and I think they partnered with our Zanuck R&D, and we co-invested in that relationship and building platforms. And you will see some of the demonstrations today, and I think you see that. And those are the sort of some of the initial work which we're bringing in, and these are massive challenges, and we are trying to work. And one of my personal passions is patient safety. When you're scaling something like very big, then people often not think about safety. How do you deliver healthcare safely to the patients, whether it is at their home or whether in their hospitals. And we are also helping organizations build technology platforms and helping doctors and patients to deliver healthcare safely. Some of these are examples of Zanuck. 2014, I'm going to be very optimistic, absolutely optimistic, because if you look at the last sort of 4 or 5 years post-recession in 2008, and there have been a steady investment happening in technologies, right? And so there's a lot of angel investments have gone in, a lot of Series A investments have gone in. So now a lot of those companies are mature, for either Series B. So either they try and get a Series B funding or they close, right? And when they do Series B funding, they absolutely must scale. So it is about scalability, and the expertise in Zanuck is all about helping someone scale, not only into the R&D and scale because of our own past experience of scaling in the businesses. And so we have a number of companies, number of organizations, number of entrepreneurs who are at that cusp of that point, where they were looking for that mentorship and that scale. And so we're absolutely looking forward to 2014 as an optimistic year.